Hello everyone. In this question, we are asked to find the value of x. So we are given that root of x divided by 2 plus root of x divided by 8 is equal to 6. So we can have that root of x divided by 2 plus root of 1 divided by 4 times x divided by 2 is equal to 6. So this becomes root of x divided by 2 plus, from solve, we can express this as root of 1 divided by 4 multiplied by root of x divided by 2 equal to 6. But you know that root of 1 divided by 4 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So therefore, we have that this is root of x divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by root of x divided by 2 equal to 6. Now, to simplify the calculation, let y be equal to root of x divided by 2. So therefore, the equation becomes y plus 1 divided by 2 multiplied by y equal to 6. At this point, we multiply the equation by 2 to eliminate the fraction. So this becomes 2y plus 2 multiplied by 1 divided by 2y equal to 2 times 6. So 2 cancel out 2 here. We have 2y plus y equal to 12. So therefore, we have it that this is 3y equal to 12. And y will be equal to 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. So therefore, y is equal to 4. But recall that we said let y be equal to root of x divided by 2. So we have that this is 4 equal to root of x divided by 2. So at this point, we can square both sides. So 4 squared is 16 equal to square, we cancel out root, so we have x divided by 2. So therefore, we have that x is equal to 16 times 2. So x is equal to 32. Thank you so much for watching. And please, if you know you found the video helpful, encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for doing that. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.